insight and detailed explanation, I will try to establish my points in front of you. My subject is almost similar to the subject line of this evening. India is moving ahead with digitization. So, what is it? Our beloved Prime Minister already felt that government records, lots and lots of government records needs to be digitized for faster process, faster accessibility, relating it to Digital India. Already explained. So, what are the importance of digitization? It provides us backup of important documents, security of the information and data, better efficiency and workflow, save space as well as cost, easy and fast retrieval of documents or data and sharing, as well as its environment friendly. We have experienced such disasters a couple of years ago. Mumbai Mantralaya fire, where around 2,000 computers and 4.8 crore documents has lost. If we have digitized those documents earlier, then we could have saved few of the documents out of these disasters. So, nevertheless, we felt that digitization is required, and within the organization there are two types of requirements. One is internal, one is external. So, what are the external requirements? Like we know all these services, facilities like Passport Seva Kendra, Land Record Digitization, Right to Information Act, information of health, and the details of individuals. These are the external affairs. And in internal, we have a lot of documents we produce day by day within the system. We forward it for internal approvals or process, whatever it is, need to be digitized. These are the internal requirements. But what is the concern? In hard copies, normally 30 to 40% time of an employee spent to find out the right document, right data from the system, if it is not digitized, not organized. And sometimes we found that 67% of the data is lost due to mishandling or somehow. So, what are the opportunities? not the less. We have personal documents, important documents like mark sheets, certificates, or home loans, lot of credentials, PAN card, which are required day-to-day basis for lot of purposes in a soft fashion. So these are the things we need to be digitized for future fast process. Again, information is the key. We share information every day, every time. But as of now, India is the largest analog country. Lot of documents are there in the government departments, PSU, in corporate, needs to be digitized, and there are historical data also. So there is more paper than ever before, and still we are producing papers. So how we can manage, how we can organize? Digitization is the solution, and Canon is there. As you know, Canon being an imaging technology company, we have a lot of products like starting from cameras, printers, MFDs, and scanners. We have scanners starting from entry level to heavy duty professional scanners, production scanners, which can help digitizing huge bulk documents. Like all these, what I have explained, personal and portable scanners for personal requirements for day-to-day basis in a corporate organization. Then departmental and production scanners for backlog digitization. And as we have seen, the industry is growing, digitization is growing, and requirement of these hardware devices is also growing. So we are expecting around 35,000 units to be sold in 2015, and with a pace of 17% growth of hardware device requirement. Canon is having scanner models starting from 15 ppm to 100 ppm with a range of somewhere 10,000 to 7,80,000. We are also having scanners for banking industry, like we all know CBS and CTS, check truncation systems, where check needs to be scanned and sent to originating branch for approvals, for crediting the amount. So we have scanners which can scan the checks also, instruments. And these are the opportunities where we can position our products through various system integrators, through our partners, like insurance, banking, construction, all, everywhere documents are there and need to be digitized, need to be sent across any location immediately. So with these opportunities, I think we can catch the future requirements, we can catch the opportunities. Thank you.